Hey, what's up, everyone? Donovan here. Today, I've got an exciting series of information and videos that I want to do and talk to you about. It's about artificial intelligence and how you can use AI and some of the tools that are out there right now, free tools, to maximize your writing and your publishing business. Let's get it. All right, welcome back, everyone. Donovan in here. I want to talk to you a little bit about AI and specifically a particular tool that's out there as of the date of this video. Today is December 23rd, and I'm excited to talk to you about Chat GPT. So, currently, I went ahead to Google and I put in the search in the search engine chatopenai.com. This will take me to Chat GPT. And Chat GPT is a language model dialogue AI software. And basically, what you can do with it is use it to, it's amazing. You can do it to do everything from character profiles, outlines, ad copy, book blurbs, marketing. For an author, it is one of an easy way to streamline and give you quick and easy ideas for either your marketing purposes, or for your actual book production in terms of story outlines and things like that. So once you get to this page here, what you're going to want to do is try Chat GPT. Okay, so you're going to press the button. Now, I'm already in Chat GPT, so you won't get this page. This is the page that you get after you've already logged in. So what we're going to do today is we're going to create a character profile using Chat GPT. Now, I've already done this, and instead of showing you what the system has already produced, we're going to go ahead and do something from scratch. Okay, but I'm going to use a similar prompt of what I asked ChatGPT to do the last time that I was in the system. Okay, so I have a new character that I am working on in a story, and basically he has Superman-like powers. And so what I've asked ChatGPT to do, which it did, was to create me a character profile for an antagonist for this character. So let's go into the system and see what it pumps out for us and how you can use it. All right, so again, I'm just going to basically tell it to create a character profile for create an antagonist character profile. For someone, create an antagonist character profile, create a villain. So your wording, you got to think about what you're really asking it to do. For someone, how about create an antagonist character profile for Superman? Okay. Because again, this person has Superman-like powers. So let's see what it generates. So here's a character profile for an antagonist for Superman. Name Lex. Okay, so this is somebody that we already know. But the reality is, the more descriptive that you are in terms of what your antagonist will be, the more ChatGPT will utilize that. Now notice what it's doing. It's giving you the name. It's telling you his appearance. It's giving you his personality. It's giving you his background, his motivation, some abilities, and then an overall picture or summary of this character. Okay, so let's change it up a little bit. So I'm going to oops, let's not do that. That's not what we want. I said create me. How about this? So that it doesn't chime in directly on Superman per se, we'll create an antagonist character profile for someone who has superhuman strength and flight. Okay, now it probably will give me something else. Here we go. Okay, so tyrant appearance, he's a massive muscular man, dark piercing eyes, long flowing black hair, who has a sleek black bodysuit, red trim, and is almost always scowling or sneering. Ruthless and violent individual with a deep-seated hatred for those who perceives as weaker than themselves. He relishes in causing blah blah blah. You get the point. So again, Chat GPT is going to follow the same formula in terms of character generation. It's going to give you a name. It's going to give you the appearance of this individual. It's going to give you personality, background, motivation, abilities, and then an overall assessment. Now, what's interesting about this is that I can take this information, and if I am already connected with an AI graphics program like Midjourney, I can give you a visual depiction of what this person's going to look like. So why don't we do that right now and see how these two pieces of software, these two pieces of technology can work together. So I'm going to go ahead, and since it already has its appearance, I'm going to go ahead and copy what his appearance looks like, and I'm already in Discord, and we're going to go ahead and just pump that into Midjourney. So I'm assuming that those of you that are watching this video already know a little bit about Midjourney, already understand how the technology works. So I'm not going to take the time to explain that. But I am going to go ahead and do additional videos that talks about Midjourney. So I'm already in here. I was already playing around with Midjourney earlier today. And so all I've done, I haven't done anything other than put the actual prompt that was generated in Chat GPT in Midjourney, just as a base, just as a test to see where we can go from here. All right, let's see what it does. All right, so while we're waiting on the images that are going to come up, okay, remember that you are ultimately in control. These should just serve as prompts. All of us who are in the writing space, I'm sure, have utilized prompts at some point in time to generate ideas, and that's how Chat GPT and Midjourney in this case should be looked at as it relates to what we're trying to do today. We're not trying to tell it. We're not trying to exclusively get things from that. What we wanted is to prompt ideas, generate ideas that will help us to do what we need to do. Okay, so here we go. It's coming up here, and now we have an image of Tyrant, which was the name of the character. So wow, this looks really good. So let's we'll do image 3. Okay, so I'm going to upscale image 3, and so now this is, you know, maybe the picture that I'm using for my comic book, my graphic novel. It is the base from which I can build on what this character looks like. Okay, so this is just amazing to me. It just increases the amount of, lessens the amount of time that is necessary for character generation, and you can do this over and over and over again. Now the thing is, you have to remember that currently ChatGPT is open, which means it does not cost you anything. It's not for certain it's going to stay that way. So I would highly recommend that if you're interested in this technology, to get in while the getting is good. Okay, go ahead and take advantage of the fact that it's free now. It's not necessarily guaranteed that it's going to be free going on into the future. All right, well look, I'm going to continue to play around with this and see some new things that I can learn and things that I can use for my stories. I'm just really excited, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the like button. You know, just do it. What are you waiting for? In the meantime, hey, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.